We are now going to finish up this play that we started titled The Necklace. We last left off where Matilda lost her friend's necklace that she borrowed. So, starting here, we're going to see what their next steps are.
I will retrace our steps and search every inch. Pierre returns many hours later. His face is pale. He shakes his head. I went to the police, the carriage companies, even the papers to offer a reward. Matilda slumps in a chair as if the life had drained from her body. Matilda, write to your friend. Tell her that the glass broke and we're having it fixed. That will give us time to look some more. By the end of the week, the Loisels have lost all hope. I'm afraid we must replace the necklace. They go from jeweler to jeweler searching for a diamond necklace that looks like Madame Faustier's. Finally, they find one. Look, Matilda, I think it's a match. Yes, it's very close. You have very good taste. That necklace is 40,000 francs. To Pierre, that number rings out like a funeral bell. Would you consider 30,000? The lowest I can go is 36,000. Pierre catches his breath. Please hold it for 3 days. We will be back with the money. Out on the street, Matilda turns to Pierre. Where will we get the money? I have 18,000 francs that was left to me by my father. The rest we shall borrow. From whom? Anyone, everyone, whatever it takes. We will have to let Anna go. Yes. We can no longer afford her wages. They borrow from friends, family, neighbors, and even dishonest bankers. They buy the diamond necklace and return it to Madame Faustier as though nothing has happened. From that moment on, the Loisels live in poverty. They move to a small attic apartment. Pierre takes a second job. Matilda does all the housework. For 10 years, they struggle. Surprisingly, Matilda never complains. One evening, Matilda is scrubbing the floor. Pierre comes with a half-wilted flower. Today's the day, my sweet. We are out of debt at last. Matilda stands and takes the flower. She looks at her haggard face in the old cracked mirror. Remember that evening long ago? I was so beautiful and admired. You are still beautiful. Matilda touches her neck. What would have happened if I had not lost that necklace? Who knows? How strange life is. One day Matilda is strolling along a grand boulevard. She recognizes an elegant woman. Jean? Jean stares blankly at Matilda's lined face and ragged clothes. Do I know you? I am Matilda Loisel. Matilda? You've changed. We've had hard times since I saw you last, and many sorrows, and I must say, all because of you. Because of me? How? You remember the diamond necklace you lent me for the ambassador's ball? That was so long ago. Well, I lost it. But you brought it back. We bought another just like it. It took us over 10 years to pay for it. Oh! It was not easy. We had no money, but it was paid at last, and we are finally free. Matilda smiles proudly. You bought a diamond necklace to replace mine? Yes, it was nearly identical. Jean takes Matilda's rough red hands in her own. Oh, Matilda, how can I tell you this? That necklace was a fake. That's terrible. It's horrible. A fake? It was worth 500 francs at most. How strange life is, indeed. Wow. So, in the next slide, you are going to tell me what lesson did Matilda learn in this drama?